Hi, this is part of the 7 Basic Human Movement video series. This particular movement is the deadlift or the hinge. The hinge is actually the movement. So let's talk about a hinge. You think about a door. You've got the door hinge and neither the door or the door frame bends, right? It just hinges in the middle. Okay, that's what we want to create. So if you have your little karate chop hands, chop right here where your hips attach to your body or your legs attach to your body, and this bend, this little fold that you do is your hinge. Here it is from the side. Legs are straight, upper body is straight. Let me demonstrate this also with a stick. You want to be sure that you are able to put a stick on the back of your head, on the back of your thoracic spine, and on your butt. And then, when you bend over, that stick stays touching all of those parts, all those 3 parts. Let me do one with my hands inverted here. Okay, so that is your basic hinge. Now, let's look at some weighted options for this. Actually, you can do them unweighted. A great way to do this is take the stick, put it behind your back, shoulders are down, and just hinge. You go down, you get a stretch in the back of the legs, you stand up, you squeeze the glutes at the top. So you can do an unweighted hinge. You can also do weighted deadlifts, and you can do these with dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, or with bands. So I'm going to show you each one. The first one is with the dumbbell. If you take the dumbbell and put it on its end, put the dumbbell in between your feet, then hinge back. Notice I'm not bending forward. Hinge back. The hips go to the back wall. Grab the dumbbell. Stand it up all the way. Let me show you from the side. Dumbbell between your feet. Hinge back. Back is straight. I grab the dumbbell. Stand up all the way. Shoulders are down. Butt's tucked under. Now you can also do this with the kettlebell. Put the kettlebell between your feet. Stand up all the way. Shoulders are down, abs are tight, butt is tight. Let me show you from the side. That's your kettlebell deadlift. Also, you can do it banded. Put the band behind your neck. Put your feet in the band. Get in a little bit of a bent leg position. Stand it up. Hinge back. Stand up and squeeze at the top. This is a great option for if you're traveling or if you don't have other equipment. This is the least expensive of those options. Then, of course, you can also deadlift with the bar. So let me show you from the side, and then I'll try to spin this around and let you see it from the front. Okay, in this case, my bar rolls, so I'm going to put my foot on it here. But I'm going to approach the bar ready to lift. My shins will be about 1 inch from the bar when I start. Now let Let me twist this around a little bit and show it to you from the front. That is your deadlift or your hinge. So this is one of the 7 basic human movements.